Hello, you have a desktop and a laptop, then congratulations. Because you can use your laptop as a second monitor. And here are the steps to do it. First of all, make sure both computers are on the same network. The software that helps you with this is called SpaceDesk. You set up the desktop as the server and the laptop as the client. I will do the following steps. On the desktop, I download the server version. Then I installed it and made sure Windows allowed it to go through the firewall. I finished the installation on the desktop. Next, I installed on the laptop. Different from desktop, on laptop I download the client version. If you have two laptops or two desktops, you can do it the same way. You just need to specify which is the server and which is the client. Because both computers are on the same network, the client will discover the server. On the client computer, you just need to select the server and connect. Now the laptop becomes the second screen of the desktop. I recommend you to use a wired network for a better experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.